coolest toys and gadgets that will not let you get bored. DJI RoboMaster S1, Sphero Mini Activity Kit, and more. Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the coolest toys and gadgets that will not let you get bored. Let's get started. Number 1. Zax. This toy throwing axe can keep you busy for many hours, both outdoors and at home thanks to its suction cup. It can easily attach to almost any surface, and thanks to the absence of sharp parts, the toy is absolutely safe. The manufacturer suggests several throwing techniques, so you won't get bored with Zax. The toy is priced at $18. FinGears. Everyone has almost forgotten what spinners are, but the American company FinGears offered a new version of this famous toy. Their toy consists of 3 rings, which are linked through the magnets inside the rings, can be moved in any direction, relative to each other, and it gives almost unlimited possibilities. On their website of the manufacturer, you can find 10 tricks that can be performed with fingers. But in fact, there are many and each player can create their own tricks, and even if you get bored, you can combine several sets into one and keep experimenting. On top of that, these rings can develop your fine motor skills. In addition, FinGears can be used as a stable toy to help you focus and keep your hands busy during intense thinking activity. A set of rings with a plastic finish will cost you $15. The wooden version is priced at $99. DJI RoboMaster S1. The next toy on our list also helps us owner to learn new things. First, RoboMaster can be controlled with a special remote control, and even at its most basic, the toy shows its high-tech equipment. It is a built-in camera. It's able to move sideways and diagonally. It features great maneuverability and the ability to overcome small obstacles. In addition, the RoboMaster S1 will easily become your learning partner. He'll help you understand more about physics, mathematics, programming, and even robotics. After all, it's called RoboMaster for a reason. It is really a robot that can learn different commands. For example, it can learn to distinguish objects and colors or move according to a predetermined algorithm. Finally, the last cool feature is that several owners of the RoboMaster S1 could arrange races between them in competition mode. The robots get new abilities and can, for example, disable their opponents by interfering with its camera. And of course, we should mention the presence of a blaster that shoots gel balls. The price is $550. Balloon Puncher. Specialists of the Chinese brand YCOO have come up with a way to restore interest in the most ordinary inflatable balloons. They created Balloons Puncher, a radio-controlled robot. It consists of small rotating body and movable arms. The balloon itself is a head-to task of the robots, and the players is to exchange blows until one of the balls bursts. The price of the toy starts at $50. Shelby Destroyer. In order for this intimidating toy weapon to work as intended, the engineers had to spend several months working on it. During the time, they tried 17 trigger mechanisms before finding one that could fire the disc most effectively. The Shelby Destroyer is a toy weapon that fires discs made of foam. These projectiles are soft, lightweight, and completely safe, yet they fly out the weapon of high velocity and easily hit the target. The developers claim that their creation features an impressive number of advantages compared to similar blasters. The power of the Shelby Destroyer can be adjusted with a rate of fire of 6 rounds per second at a speed of 75 to 110 miles per hour. The blaster also shoots more accurately and has an impressive range thanks to its narrow-shaped shells take up less space in the magazine, which means that that after reload less often, the blaster holds 180 discs at a time. Another important advantage is the realistic appearance and customizable lighting, which makes the blaster even more futuristic. The price of this toy starts at $217. Jump Furry. The wheels of this car seem bigger than the car itself. However, this is no accident. The fact that Jump Furry is a radio-controlled car whose main feature is the ability to push off almost any surface, both vertical and horizontal. The wheels are made of soft and durable material. To avoid damaging the car and any surfaces, small and maneuverable Jump Furry is able to spin around its axis and also has a flight mode, when instead of moving forward, it jumps up to 22 inches, so you can create improvised obstacle courses for the car when it has to jump over various objects in the house. The toy will cost you $40. Number 7. Casting. You no longer have to get up at dawn and make a long way to the nearest lake to enjoy all the night delights of fishing. Casting is a game that allows you to fish in virtual reality. Wherever you are and any convenient time, the system consists of a mobile app and a special box that's placed on your feet and a special rod with a holder for your smartphone. Together, this clever combination makes for the most realistic fishing experiences possible. The computer is responsible for the bite. The rod, thanks to the two built-in sensors, reads the movements and actions of the virtual fisherman. Finally, the box underfoot with another sensor creates tension as if the end of the line was really being pulled by a fish. The virtual ocean contains a total of about 70 species of fish. They look and behave differently, take differently, bathe and live in different parts of the simulated three-dimensional space. For example, some species live in shallow water while others prefer deep water. With all the features described above, casting will give you hundreds of hours of addictive gameplay if you're willing to pay $300. Sphero Mini Activity Kit. This small and agile spear-shaped robot is controlled by a mobile app. An entire set of 28 parts is included so that different obstacle courses can be built for the robot. In total, the manufacturer offers 15 cards with different activities. For example, with Sphero, you can play mini bowling and the toy will act as a ball and you can control it like an RC car. Sphero can also act as a controller for mobile games created especially for it. And the best part is that Sphero can execute different commands which are given to it visual programming. The price of the toy varies from $80 to $90 depending on the contents of the kit. So, what are your thoughts about this topic? Do you think this video is useful? Please let me know by leaving the comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video.